Presenting Colorx. Color stories at your fingertips. Colorx is a very useful tool to quickly create numerous color stories on a given print, artwork image, a scanned fabric image, or a garment photo image.
With the increasing demand for digital presentation, Colorx immensely helps to reduce strike-offs and also helps to communicate your color ideas across the board during product approval stage. The whole concept starts with a quick replacement of colors.
We take a scanned print fabric image to demonstrate.
The scanned fabric has a texture that can be seen by zooming up.
Color replacement is a simple drag-and-drop process.
The colors for replacement can be dragged from the loaded color palette.
You can create your own color palette and use it for color replacement.
Let's now replace the gray color in the fabric image.
Adjust the tolerance bar to either include range of different tones of the image color, or remove the excess image color.
Also adjust the brightness bar to match light effects of the new color with the image color. You can compare the color replaced image with the original image.
Original image.
Color replaced image.
Colors are replaced, keeping the texture and light effect details in the original image intact.
Once the colors are replaced, you can quickly create numerous color stories. Let's demonstrate.
Press the Auto button at the top to create color stories.
The colors are picked up randomly from the choice of your own color palette.
And so on.
You can save the color replaced image as a reusable design.
The saved design can be loaded anytime later for color replacement.
Let's load a saved design whose colors are already replaced. This is a color replaced artwork image.
Press the Auto button at the top to create color stories.
And so on.
With Colorx, you are never short of color stories.
Thank you for watching.